Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Unich Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop, how to complete tasks in order to get extra points, and how to activate the mining process. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join Unich Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open any browser that you usually use and paste the link into the search bar. You will land on this page, but to make the process a little bit easier, click on the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down and turn on desktop site mode. You need to type in your email address, and when you finish, check this box and click on sign up. Next, they will send you a verification code to your email address. So type in that code here and click on next. Then they will ask you to create a new password. And when you finish, click on confirm. They will show you this message, so click on skip. Then click on explore now. Then you will land on this page, and if we scroll down a little bit, they will show you a list of tasks that you need to complete in order to get extra points. I will show you how to complete them in just a few minutes, so keep watching. And if we keep scrolling, they will show you this yellow button, and if you want to activate the mining process, click on it. And as you see, we need to wait about 24 hours before we can activate the mining process again. Next, we need to install Unich application. You can check out the link for that application down below in the description box. Or you can go ahead to Google Play Store and type in the search bar Unich. Click on install and wait until it's completely installed. Now let's open this application, and here you need to type in the same email address and the password that you have just used to register. And when you finish, click on sign in. You will land on this page, and if we scroll down a little bit, you will see a list of tasks that we need to complete in order to get extra points. If you want to complete any one of these tasks, click on the claim button on the right side. Now let me show you how to complete the first one. So click on claim. They will show you this message, so click on I got it. They will ask you to follow their account on X platform, and when you finish, go back here and type in the username of your X account and click on confirm. And as you see, they give me 60 points. You can complete the other tasks in the same way. As you see, I have completed all these tasks. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Unich Airdrop. Again, don't forget to log in into your account every 24 hours to activate the mining process and try to complete as many tasks as you can. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. See you soon, guys. Good luck.